Honey, this one is good to pick or no? How would I know if it's good to pick?
A red one.
Red one.
Yes.
Oh,
Over there,
yeah.
where uncle is.
Oh, this one, guys. This is the red one. We can pick this one. We have to be careful because the grass here can easily harm you. So if you want to pick an apple, you should pick the one that is already red. So it's
This
already
one.
good to pick. This one, babe?
Yes.
But this is green.
This is good. It's green on the other side.
Guys, first time kong magpitas ng apple. Oh my God. Libre lang to, guys. It's all for the public. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang liit ng apple. Pero meron kaming malalaking nakita. So, kanina, guys. Eto, guys. Malaking apple. Tag 25 pesos na to sa atin or more than that. No? Eto naman, 10 pesos. Pero alam nyo ba, ang sobrang tamis nito, hindi ko lang siya kakainin yun kasi hindi pa siya malinis, pero it's for free. Welcome to Germany!